Storm sirens are causing some confusion in Plano. The sirens went off late last night by accident, panicking people in a city still recovering from all the recent hailstorms. Fox 4's Allison Harris is in Plano right now with the city's explanation of how this human error happened. Allison.
Well, Steve, sirens like this one behind me went off all across Plano last night at 10:53. It lasted only 20 seconds, long enough to wake up some sleeping people and to cause a stir. Hail has already caused hundreds of millions of dollars in damage to Plano homes and cars this storm season. Wednesday night, another scare for the city when sirens went off as storms rolled through North Texas. Sirens should not have sounded. Storms were not strong enough. Still, people captured the moment and posted it online.
I thought, oh no, here comes the hailstorm again, or here comes tornadoes.
The sounding of the sirens last night was an accident. It was pure human error.
Plano Emergency Management Director Carrie Little says someone in her office saw a thunderstorm warning and triggered the alert. Plano typically sounds the sirens when winds reach 73 miles per hour. There's half-dollar size hail or larger, or a tornado warning.
We have guidance, but it is always up to the jurisdiction to determine what is best for them.
But Plano first grader Isaac Mills doesn't like that sirens in Plano warn for more than tornadoes and put his thoughts in writing for Plano's mayor. His family just moved here from Austin, and hearing the sirens as often as he has lately for large hail and high winds makes him uneasy.
If you ring them every time it rains hard, then if there is a real problem, people won't take shelter or take it as seriously.
But as Little says, recent storms here show just how dangerous hail can be.
Hail can be really serious and really damaging.
And we've seen many people on social media forgiving the city for its mistake, even thanking the city for owning up to it. It is a good reminder that each city has different guidelines on when to sound these sirens. Also a good reminder that these are outdoor sirens meant to warn people who are outside at the time of a storm. The city says it's an added bonus if you happen to hear these inside your home. Steve?